Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making hot oil hand-pulled noodles. Let's get to it. In a mixing bowl, mix flour and salt. Gradually add warm water and stir using chopsticks at the same time. Keep stirring and kneading until you have a nice and smooth dough. Knead dough every 10 minutes for 3 times in total. Split the dough into 4 pieces. Roll each piece into long stick. You can also bounce against the cutting board to extend the stick. Apply oil to mixing bowl using a brush and coil up dough inside. Then apply oil on the dough as well. Keep doing the same for the rest. Then let it rest for 2 hours. Prepare Shanghai bok choy. Remove all the leaves and wash them. Mince garlics and scallions. Bring a pot of water to boil and add noodles. Once water boils again, add more water. Do it twice. Add veggies to the pot and wait for a boil. Then turn off heat. Get noodles and veggies to a big bowl. Add salt, chicken powder, sugar, hot chili pepper powder, white sesame seed, and minced garlic and scallion on top of the noodle. Heat oil until smoky, then pour it on the seasonings. Mix everything well. Then hot oil hand-pulled noodle is ready. I also made pork belly tofu stew for lunch. You can check that out in my channel. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. See you until next time.